Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday of a short week, and not only a short week, but the last week for any time for you to get your work in. Yesterday, I put up an assignment on total surface area, and I just want to go over and explain how to do this. Let's not forget to find the area of a rectangle. It's simply length times width. Triangles, that's base times height divided by 2, and that's to find the area. And remember, area is how much space is on the face. Okay, so let's take a look at this triangular prism. Okay, I don't have the invisible lines drawn right now. It always helps to draw this yourself, and so to do this, you draw the triangle first. Okay, and then it's all about parallel lines. Okay, so it's pretty simple to draw. Okay, here are my dimensions, and first I need to understand this is three-dimensional, so I'm going to have two triangles, and in this case those two triangles here and right here are exactly the same. And now base times height divided by 2. Okay, I got to find the 90-degree angle in order to know what's my base and my height. Okay, and that would be right here or right here. Okay, and those dimensions, that line is the same as that line. And I know this isn't drawn perfectly. However, this is my base, an 8, and my height of 3. Base times height, 24 divided by 2. That means one triangle is 12 inches squared. Well, that means the other triangle is also 12. Okay? Now, let's focus on our rectangles. I like to think of a bike ramp. If I slid this up to the curb, I'm looking at this rectangle here. And now I need to find my dimensions of that rectangle. And that's a 3 by, that's going to be the same as that. Those are congruent. That's a 3 by 4. That means this rectangle is also a 12. Okay, I have two rectangles left. Okay, some of us forgot that this has a bottom, this bottom rectangle. See how I'm tracing it? It would be sitting on the street, essentially. And that's an 8 by 4. That's a 32 square inch rectangle, 32. Okay, and one last rectangle, that's essentially the ramp that you would ride the bike up on, and that's here. Trace it together, to put my eye to it, to know the dimensions I need. It's a 4 by 9. 4 by 9. That rectangle has an area of 36. And now to find the total surface area, I simply add these all up. 12 and 12, that's a 36. Okay, I'm adding them up. 36 and 32 and another 36. Okay, 8 and 6 is 14. 9 and 10. This is 104, and its surface area, so it's 104 inches squared. Okay, and that's how you do it.